A discussion on the insurance sector is incomplete without a reference to Life Insurance Corporation, the largest insurer, listed earlier this year, raking in over 20,000 crore rupees for the government. Although its stock is trading at a discount from its subscription price, the ensuing changes bode well for the company and the industry. The government has recommended further reforms in the insurance sector to the tune of a composite license. An amendment to the Insurance Act will help life insurers like LIC obtain a composite license and enter other insurance markets. Expanding the base is expected to help LIC leverage its large subscriber base and agent network to deepen the insurance market and increase penetration. Despite the government's best efforts, India has lower insurance penetration than most major economies. So what can a composite license do for LIC? Let's go to Subrata Panda to understand.
LIC has always wanted to sell indemnity-based health products. It has a huge agency base, which with a little bit of training will work wonders in driving penetration of health insurance market in the country. LIC sees this segment as a huge opportunity. Not only LIC, all the large life insurance companies want to get into this indemnity-based health segment because they see this as an opportunity, as they believe mortality and morbidity risks are similar risks, and perhaps the life insurance companies are better equipped to handle these risks.
Another proposal on the table, media reports suggest, is the merger of LIC with other 4 national insurers. The employee unions in the 4 government-owned general insurance companies, the Oriental Insurance Company Limited, National Insurance Company Limited, the New India Assurance Company Limited, and United India Insurance Company Limited, have been demanding the merger of the companies into one strong entity. But can such a merger benefit LIC, and does making the already colossal insurer even bigger make sense? Let's understand their fundamentals first. The government has been making repeated capital infusions in public sector insurers to keep them afloat. In 2020-21, it infused 9,950 crore rupees in 3 general insurance companies. Last fiscal, it provided a capital injection of 5,000 crore rupees. Its current capital provisions may be more than double last year's. 5,000 crore rupees has already been infused, and more would have to be given the wage revisions announced by the insurers. Another metric to look at is the solvency ratio, or excess cash over a company's perceived liabilities. While LIC had a solvency ratio of over 1.5, the requirement set by IRDAI for general insurers, United India had a solvency ratio of 0.43 by the first quarter of this year, whereas National Insurance ratio was 0.63. New India was the only profitable enterprise. Subrata Panda thus believes the merger can be detrimental to LIC.
Given the financial condition of these state-owned general insurers, merging them with LIC is perhaps not the best solution. They might prove to be a drag on LIC's books. Also, being a listed entity now, LIC has to answer to the shareholders on what benefit it will derive from these ailing state-owned insurers. Given its share price has taken a huge beating since it got listed, it has to perform on the parameters that investors track in a life insurance company. So it may not turn out to be a wise decision if the government decides to merge these insurers with LIC.
Does privatization make more sense in that case? We had an expert answer our query.
If you look at the objective of the privatization is to bring efficiency and competition to the sector. It has already, we have so many private general insurance companies or the life insurance companies, but at the same time, we can merge these entities, make them stronger so that they can go back and fight with the incumbent private players. So in my view, merging these companies is a better option.
Whichever way the government decides, it would need to bring back the public sector to health if it is to achieve its goal of greater insurance penetration.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
I am the blue of the limitless sky. I am the inspiration that led success soar high. I will achieve, I will fly high. I am the I in SBI.
I'm backed by the nation's trusted bank, SBI, the banker
to every Indian.